Monday, December 23rd, 2024. Saint John of Canty. Focus. The hand of the Lord was with him. The hand of the Lord was with John the Baptist and his parents on the joyous occasion of John's circumcision and naming ceremony. In the same way, the Lord's hand is on every Christian on their baptism day. When we are given a name in the presence of our parents and godparents, the hand of the Lord, on whose palm our names are written, should lead us to be His faithful messengers like Saint John the Baptist. All the prophets and saints yielded to the hand of the Lord in accepting their role as messengers. The prophet Malachi proclaimed God's promise, "Behold, I send my messenger." It was fulfilled by the birth of John, the precursor of God's own Son, Jesus. Saint John of Canty became a messenger of good training to his students by saying, "Fight all false opinions, but let your weapons be patience, sweetness, and love." Saint Francis Xavier, whose relics are even now being venerated by thousands of people from all over the world, was another devoted messenger of God. We too, as parents, children, educators, students, or whatever profession or job we follow, must discern the hand of God always with us and be guided by Him to be messengers of His good news to everyone we encounter. Fruit. I will yield to the hand of the Lord upon me and fulfill my role as His loyal messenger.